Hey everybody, how are you? It is Saturday afternoon, 4 o'clock. My husband just brought in my mail, and I have a package here from JansCrazyLife. JansCrazyLife. I'm not expecting anything, but I have to tell you, I am loving this bag. All right, I have no idea what this is. We didn't have a swap, unless I'm losing my mind. We didn't have anything going on. I mean, there's a swap coming up, but I don't know what this is. I really don't. So I figured I would open it with you. All right, Jan, where'd you get this cute bag? Oh my God. The raccoon, the fox, the deer, the rabbit. Oh my gosh, that looks like a porcupine. All right, I don't know what it is. I really don't. I'm so excited. Get out of here, Tex. Oh my gosh. Oh my God! Jan, why? Texas, get out of my way. Oh my God. Thank you. Donna, happy, and she left it blank because she didn't know what day it was going to get to me. Oh my God, that's the best. If you don't know who Jan is, please go see her channel at JansCrazyLife. She always says, happy Monday, happy Tuesday, happy Wednesday. I love that about her. Love it. So in my letter, she writes, happy blank day, because she didn't know what day it was going to get to me. I want to say I am sorry this took so long. I wanted to send a thank you for all the amazing cards you sent me. I hope you are having an amazing week. XOXO Jan, JansCrazyLife. Jan, you want a giveaway. You're not supposed to send me something back, babe. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this washi tape. Jan. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Tags. Jan. I'm gonna keep saying her name. Oh, look at how sweet. Look at these. I'm loving it. Some rope to go with it. Aw, sweetie. Oh, look at those. And that says to and from. Isn't that cute? Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, now on to this. Look at this. She made this. What a fantastic idea. It has a witch's hat, a witch. Look at those. Can you see those? There's the witch. And look at the witch's hat. I love this. I have to make this. Oh, wow. Look. I am feeling so blessed. I really and truly am. Wow. This is so chunky. Okay. Let me zoom you in a little so that you can see. So here she put a pocket. It says Fright Night. A spooking we will go. Oh, I love that. And a tag. A spooking we will go. Wow. She even stitched this. Let's see. Can you see that? Look around the hat. You see how she stitched that? She put a witch. And then another pocket that says boo. Oh. She did this out of books. Look at this. Absolutely loving this. Wow. They're all like, it's almost like a TN. Like this is one this is one section of the TN. How cute. This is the other section of the TN. Wait, I don't want to miss anything. Look at how cute this is. Loving this. Then there's some more tags and sayings. Eek! And then this piece of fabric she stitched around the entire thing. And now this would be another insert, so there's 3 inserts in here. Oh, look at that. Loving that. Oh, this is fabulous. Wow. Downright cute. Loving all these stickers. Where'd you get them? Oh, look at that. Oh, OMG. Look at the center of this. She put an envelope with little inserts for journaling and pictures. But look at that. She stitched that, and it's a dangle. What a cute idea. Oh, Jan. Wow. I'm liking that paper. Very spooky. How cute is all of this? Another pocket. Oh, I like him. I like that spider. Okay, so that was the middle insert. You see these inserts? Oh. And this is the third insert. And that says, Happy Halloween. Wow. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, what can I do with this? I think I'm gonna do it. Oh, I think this is fabulous. It's a page marker. Oh, and another envelope. Oh, look at him. Did I miss one on the first one? I did. Look at, I know. He's so tiny. Look, the little skull. Oh, and she did 3 page markers. Look at that. 1, 2, and 3. Candy time. What a really cute concept. How sweet. Such a great use of paper. Oh, look at that. Boo to you. Oh, and the 31st day. I needed one of those. Oh. This is absolutely fabulous. Oh, Jan, I am honored. Your work is beautiful. Please, everybody, look at how she stitched this for the Traveler's Notebooks. Look at that. I just have to open it up again. See, she stitched these in. These are all stitched in. Wow. I love this. I can't stop looking at it. Wow, what a great idea. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. You are an artist. All right, everybody, please go check out Jan. I know you will love her. I love her. She is beyond fabulous. Loving it. Jan, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm feeling blessed. I love all my YouTubers, all my friends, my followers. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.